NorthShore.ai is a knowledge network that enables companies to curate information within their existing collaboration tools, ensuring that the knowledge the team needs to do their jobs is always fresh, trusted, and available. This is what a doc would look like in our system. Information is organized by topics. Here's an example of a how-to article, How to Deal with a Price Match Request. If we scroll down, you can see that our system enables you to assign an owner or a team of owners for each doc. The owner commits to how often they will check up on this doc, in this case every 12 months. So on June 3rd of next year, Debbie, our head of customer success, will get a Slack notification telling her that this doc has expired and she needs to verify that it is still valid. This how-to was originally written in Notion. Every doc you link to NorthShore, the content is synced. You can view the ownership status directly in Notion. This doc is currently maintained and is owned by Debbie, who's checking up on it every 12 months, which you can change directly here. Let's see an example of a Zendesk Help Center article. This is an article on Google Calendar integration. Right from Zendesk, you can see that this article expires on September 2nd and is exclusively owned by Joe McMillan. Now let's say you're responding to a question from a customer or partner in Gmail. You can pull up the curated information you have in NorthShore using our Chrome extension without leaving where you work. You can get at the information you need in Salesforce, Asana, GitHub, doesn't matter. You can get at the same information in Slack by searching with our Slack app. The information is right here for you without leaving Slack. You can post the information into a channel. This is great for answering repeated questions. Bringing information from Slack into our system is easy. Using our Slack app, capture the message you need in one click. Give it a title and the text is already copied. You can tag it with a set of fully customizable topics. Keep Cameron as the owner or have the product team own this. Choose how often to review this knowledge. Once the knowledge is published in our system, it is available everywhere. Churn info is now here in the Chrome extension. Since you have all of your team's key information in our system, you can put together collections of knowledge. An example would be to build role-specific onboarding collection. Here is a CS onboarding collection where everything a new CSM needs to know is available. She can visit it on day 1, day 30, or day 90. NorthShore.ai is a knowledge network that works with existing collaboration tools to ensure curated information is always fresh, trusted, and available when and where it's needed. Come visit us and see if this is the right solution for you.